Good morning, children. So today we are going to recite and understand the meaning of the poem Rain in Summer. There are the pictures given over there. The very first picture is the picture from the town side, and the next picture is from the countryside, where you can see the fields, the farmer is standing over there, oxen are there, the trees, the rain. So this is written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, or we can say H.W. Longfellow. This poem, Rain in Summer, rain is generally perceived as a blessing for several reasons. It brings respite from the summer heat and is beneficial for farming. This poem of H.W. Longfellow, Rain in Summer, captures how it affects different places and people in a positive way. Basically, children, this poem, can be broadly divided into two focal points. The first part or the first half depicts, the scene in the town, and the second half here, the later part or the second half, takes us to the countryside. So let's try to recite and understand Rain in Summer. Let's try to recite. See, the pictures are really very, very beautiful. See, the children, they are enjoying in the rain, because really everyone wants that kind of relief, especially in summer, and that could be only possible with the rain. That is why rain is welcomed by everyone in the countryside, in the town side, everywhere. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, because that settled down, the dust created by that summer, the weather and heat, the scorching heat. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street. Broad streets, that hot streets, this rain seems to be very, very beautiful. Even the broad street, the narrow lanes, it seems very, very beautiful, because here it's describing about the town. How beautiful is the rain, how it glitters along the roofs like tramp of hoofs. Now, so many things, rain has been compared. The poet has compared rain with so many things over there. The first thing, the glitters, the sound of the water which is striking there on the roof, has been compared with the tramp of hoofs. The horses, the shoes, the horse's shoe which they make the sound, this has been compared with tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Throat here means that they are this is also a kind of a simile telling you comparison is there. It is flowing from the pipe and coming out from the spout, the mouth of the pipe. It seems to be countless number of the rain drops struggles out to come out from the pipe across the window pane. If you're going to see the window pane, it pours and pours. It seems very, very beautiful. The rain, actually the rain changes the landscape and cheers up the people. So this is really very beautiful. And swift and wide with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. So rain is welcomed everywhere. The sick man from his chamber looks at the twisted brooks. One example they have given of a sick old man whose spirits lift at the sight of the newly formed brooks. So this is the example where they have given the sick old man, whose spirits are getting lifted up at the sight of the newly formed brooks, those small rivers and pools created by the rainwater. So this is the example they have given. The sick man from this chamber looks at the twisted brooks created by the rainwater over there, and he's feeling very, very, uplifted. How can he feel the cool breathe of each little pool, that cold, that the things, the air, everything becomes very, very fresh. So even the sick man can feel that thing. His fevered brain grows calm again. So he also feels positive. The feverish, he was feeling feverish due to heat. So he was feeling relieved from that, because rain has, made